Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, then my name is Ankita. I make fashion, beauty and also makeup and DIY videos here on my channel. If you like all of that, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So this video is going to be a haul video. I have shopped quite a lot of things from one of my favorite websites, that is Ajio.com, and I want to share whatever I got with you. So let's get started. Most of the pieces that I picked up were from Ajio's own brand because they were having some massive discounts. I think up to 70% discount on a certain card value. So the first thing that I picked up was this Angrakha style crop top. It has bell sleeves and it is a peplum top. It is a beautiful navy blue color. It has a border right here on the sleeves and has some crochet work on the sleeves as well, if you can see. And this is a wraparound style top and it has these dories with tassels attached to tie up. I have styled this in 2 or 3 of my other videos. I will insert the pictures here so that you can understand this, because holding like this you can't really make out how the top looks. So I will insert the pictures. I have even styled this with a sari. So if you haven't checked that video out where I have styled different tops with saris, I will link it up here. Please do check it out. I will have the MRPs as well as the discounted prices somewhere on the screen because I don't remember the prices of everything. So this is the first piece that I got. Moving on, I picked up mostly bottom wears this time. So the first pair of pants are these. It's a beautiful straight pant with this blue ikat print all over. This is how it looks. It has pockets and it fits me really well. These are cotton pants and these are slightly see-through, so I will have to figure that out. But this looks really smart. I was looking for a pair of printed pants and I absolutely love them. I love the print. I really like Indian prints and textiles and I'm also planning to do a video series on it. So hopefully it will come really soon on my channel. So stay tuned for that. This is something that I can use a lot. I can pair it with a lot of tops and kurtis. So I'm very happy with this. I haven't worn this, so I still have the tag on this. This one was for 1300, but like I mentioned, I got 70% discount on most of the items, so this one was really inexpensive. I will mention the price on the screen. The next item that I got is this pair of dhoti pants. It's a beautiful maroon color and it has a zip in the front with a button and these 2 tie-ups on the sides. So this is how it looks. It's really airy and flowy and comfortable. I have worn this in a video. If you haven't checked it out, then please do. I will link it here again. This one is also a cotton material and it's very comfortable, airy and baggy and all of those good things that you need in summer. You can style this with a lot of things like a crop top, a ganji, and like I did in that video. You can also wear this like a salwar and pair it up with your kurtis. So this one is really versatile as well. This one was for rupees 999. That is 1,000 bucks, but like I mentioned, I got this on discount as well. The next 2 items are also bottom wears. So the next item that I got is this black palazzo with white or greyish print on it. This is how it looks. This one is also really flowy and comfortable. This also has a flap in front with a tie-up thingy and a tassel attached to it, which makes it look really cute. And since it's black and white, this one is also really versatile. I had styled this with a bralette and an ethnic jacket in my previous video. I will insert a picture here. So I absolutely love this as well. The price for this was 1800, but I don't think I paid more than 500 for this. So for 500, I think this is a great buy. The last clothing item is this. I haven't worn it yet, so it's still in its packet. So this is how the pair of pants look. So it's a pair of high-waisted pants with a paper bag waist detail. I was looking for a pair of trousers with this paper bag detail for a long time. So I'm really glad that I found it on Ajio and also at such a great discount. This is how it looks. It's a tan brown color and I really like such colors. It has this pattern going on. I had tried this on and it looks really smart. It says in the description that this is a pair of cropped trousers, but this is not quite cropped on me because I'm really short. I'm only 5'2". So this is a pair of full length trousers for me. And this has pockets, which I'm really happy about. And did I mention that the dhoti pants also have pockets? Like, can you believe dhoti pants with pockets? It's amazing, I think. So this was the last clothing item that I got. Now moving on to shoes. I really like Ajio's shoe boxes, which has these chevron print that I really like. So moving on to the first pair that I got. So it's this pair of embellished block heels. This is beige in color, so it will work with a lot of outfits, and it's in a suede material. It has a crisscross pattern with this embellishment on top. I really like the work that it has going on. I have actually worn this to a wedding and these are really comfortable since they are block heels. I actually really like Ajio shoes. My favorite pair of tan boots are also from Ajio. So whenever I'm shopping from them, I always check out the shoes, and this time I got this pair of block heels to pair with my Indian wear. I absolutely love stilettos, but I can't walk in them and they are not practical at all. So block heels are the way to go. And you can also walk, dance, eat, play, do whatever in these and also be comfortable. This one was for Rs 2,300, which is a little steep. I think I paid less than 700 or 800 rupees for this, and for that price I think this is a must-have. Moving on to the last pair. So the last pair of shoes that I got is this one. It also has a block heel with a platform, which makes this even more comfortable, and this I can pair with my western wear. The heels and the sides are brown and this part is grey in color with this braided detail on top. It also has a buckle. I got this a while back, so I don't know if this one will be still available. I will try to find all the products and link them in the description box. So please check the description box if you're interested in any of these items. So this was the last item that I got from Ajio. I love shopping from this website, especially when they have these massive discounts, and they have these discounts quite frequently, so you should keep an eye on their website and grab these deals when you can. I hope I'm not missing anything out. So that is it for this video. Let me know which one was your favorite item from my haul. You can also find my social media details in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.